Scorpio, welcome. I hope you're well. Hope you're doing very good. If you're new, you're very welcome here. If you're returning, welcome back. Let's see what is going on for you guys. As I'm recording this, we have Saturn going retrograde, and it's going to stay that way until November 15th. For Scorpio, Saturn rules time, so you could definitely be dealing with stuff kind of like slowing down or some delays coming in. You could also be getting like unknown attitudes from other people. Kind of just let it roll off your back. Don't take it personally. But this is also for the next July, August, September, October, 4.5 months, prioritizing what you enjoy because you've worked so hard for so long. A lot of your fruits could be finally starting to show up as well. But Saturn also rules work, karma, structure, the dead. A lot of people from your past could be showing up. And for your fixed sign energy, a lot of things could be heating up, but there's like an importance on you not becoming fixated or obsessed. You might resonate more with energies that aren't obsessive, whereas a couple months ago you could have really gotten into like an obsessive behavior or an obsessive pattern. Well, now that Saturn pattern is going retrograde, you could be breaking out of what you normally are attracted to or what you normally enjoy and going for something completely different. Okay. Spirit, help me get clear and precise messages. Tomorrow we have the moon. Right now, I believe it's in Aries, and it's starting to shift through Taurus as well. So this could kind of either cause you to pivot in connections, or it could take some kind of toll or make some kind of change on your connections, relationships, friends. I see here, Spirit, help me get clear and precise messages. Block interferences and negativity, return it to where it belongs. Thank you. We have Saturn as your first sign, so this is definitely going to be affecting you. The next 4 months is an important phase for you. But I see here with the star and then mice, with especially whenever it comes out with Syrian whales, it looks like you're healing from some kind of discord amongst someone that you trusted, whether it be a family member, a friend, or a lover. I see that. Scorpio, the first phrase you have here is spirit. And so with these two showing up together, right as Saturn goes retrograde, Saturn rules the dead. And spirit being here, pretty powerful. Definitely got the chills when those showed up for you guys. So spirit, this is also telling me that you may have gotten wrapped up in a lot of worldly things lately. It's almost like the universe is trying to let you know that you need to break out of worldly patterns and focus more on spirit. What's going to be good for your soul? We can get so distracted from the spiritual side, being wrapped up in 3D and worldly events and people, especially if you're surrounded by a lot of people that don't live from spirit. There's also something about a spiritual connection, which if you've never had a spiritual connection, which a lot of people could consider like any connection spiritual. I'm a very spiritual person, so to me, all my connections are spiritual. But do they? You know what I mean? So something about that could also be showing up if you don't see eye to eye on a spiritual level they may not be the one. I'm just now realizing my father, who raised me, he never believed in anything my whole life. He has always been a skeptic, or he just suppressed it so much that I never got to talk about it, learn about it, or experience it unless I was around my mom. But my longest relationship, he never believed in anything either. He scoffed at it. He was skeptical. He debated every single thing I said. And from childhood, that like killed a part of me. You don't realize that it's killing you whenever it's killing you, but it like, you know what I mean? Speaking of which, but here recently, I'm really realizing that on these spiritual journeys, everybody's at a different point. Everybody's at a different path. No two brains are identical. However, I don't think I can be with a non-believer anymore. Okay. Wow, you have 333 here. Your first message is Luke 21:33. It says, heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words shall not. On the back it says, Lord, help me to keep my mind fixed on the true way of salvation. Somebody's name could be Matthew. Yeah. It's like what is actual fulfillment? Not just on a physical level, not just on a mental level, a practical level, a financial level, on a spiritual level. Damn, that's crazy because coming into this, I was like, okay, we're probably going to have a slow down, Saturn retrograde, time's going to feel like it's just dragging on. People are going to have shit attitudes because they have to work on themselves. It's also retrograde and it's in Pisces for the remainder of like the year. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Pisces or an Aquarius, but I don't think things are going to be slowing down a whole lot for you. There's Mars energy, like, nope, no time to slow down. There's Pisces again. Mars and the moon, so the moon and Aries energy, Scorpio energy coming out. Just coming for Scorpio. Scorpio going on, Scorpio dealing with, who and what is Scorpio dealing with? We got Pluto, that's you. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Gemini and Leo. Saturn again. Scorpio. Heavy Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. Libra and Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Aquarius, Aries. Could be all, could be none. Some of you may need to be making a solid decision, and it's going to affect your future for sure. Okay. A lot of y'all could be spending a lot of time with family right now. Thank you guys for hitting that like, comment, subscribe. I love it. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the hate. All of it. Getting these numbers up, getting to where I need this channel to be. Damn, y'all got a lot of energies around y'all right now. Whenever I was doing the pre-shuffle for you guys, I was saying something about Taurus, marriage, and fake. So somebody in a fake marriage that could have something that's like a little bit of information that was coming out. There was also a lot coming out about mental issues, mental health, and mental illness. What's going on with Scorpio? We got messages and good luck. So a lot of communication coming through, especially with this much Saturn energy. Again, like there's 2 times I would say that karma is the most heavily around. One, Scorpio season. October 23rd, October 24th, throughout the rest of Scorpio season is time for karma. The line between October 31st and 1st is when the spiritual world is allowed to enter ours. However, with Saturn going to the past, to the left, to the dead going, Saturn rules karma. Not only are you, especially depending on your age, but karma never ends, but not only are you going to be paying off karma from the past, from the dead, from what you've been through and what you've dealt with and whoever and whatever you've buried in the past, but now you're starting anew. So with the karma planet affecting you so heavily right now, you're signing up for karmic contracts, and you need to keep that in mind and be really vigilant and careful how you move and with whom you move right now for quite a while. There's something about fickle energy at the bottom of the deck. You may be, I don't know, Capricorn, Virgo, and Pisces here. There could be people that you feel like are, I don't know, maybe unreliable, but something could be popping up with them, popping off with them. Someone may be burying an animal. I don't know. You could be wishing good luck onto people. These people may not be wishing the same onto you, so they're going to end up, you know, getting the same luck that they wish onto others while you get what you wish for. What's going on with Scorpio? The past. Someone or something could be coming in that may trigger you. Damn, I'm telling you. So people that have wished not so great things for you, getting that back, especially with Saturn. Scorpio, messages and good luck with Scorpio. I'm hearing a song right now. I can't say the name of the song on YouTube, but elbow deep beyond the borderline. Relax, turn around, take my hand. No, you wouldn't want me any other way. Not enough, I need more. Nothing seems to satisfy. I don't want it, I just need it to breathe, to feel, to know I'm alive. Scorpio now. Betrayal. A couple things, honestly, yeah, especially with luck. You need to be careful how you're moving. It's coming in. Somebody could want to deal with you just to betray you. Somebody could want to deal with another person just to betray them, and you could be witnessing it. Good luck. It's coming in. It's coming in with good luck and jackpot. Your money could be going up, getting luck. It's coming in for Scorpio. Wow. Bro, the fucking glow up, okay? Aww. To breathe, to feel, to know I'm alive. Pay attention when you see cats and birds right now. Damn, that's... Oh! Scorpio, holy shit. I just said... pure and love. Like, what? Somebody could want to give you flowers, but that's quite a shift. I was just saying though, Saturn ruling karma and hard work, everything that you've gone through in the past, you definitely have rewards coming in. It's crazy. I want to use some different... Good luck and love. That's freaking cool. For those of you that are single, you may have stopped looking or just fallen out of the loop because of your past, because you're still healing. Someone made a joke yesterday about infidelity, and we were having a conversation just back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back, conversation just, going and going and going. But when they made that joke about infidelity, they sent like 6 more messages. Like, my words just stopped, and I even said, like, you see how quiet I get when someone even jokes about cheating? Like, so it just showed me that, like, yeah, I'm definitely still healing. You could be the same way, like accepting what has happened and accepting that you're still on a healing journey. Healing never ends. But it's about, you may be hanging out with other people that are on the same healing level as you and willing to be like open and vulnerable about it. You could be hanging out with energies that maybe make you feel childlike again, like it doesn't feel like they're after anything, or they want, something. Okay, what's coming in for Scorpio? Well, damn, okay, we'll keep it. To the sea. Definitely fitting. It came out with regeneration. So, getting ready to sail after what you've been through, for sure. Alright, y'all got that crazy ass energy again. Okay, alright. Spirit said, no. I said what I said. One sec. Truth be told. Truth be told. You may be being honest, yeah, here and now. You may be being honest with yourself and with others. What's coming in with good luck and love? Coming in. There may be other people that may be letting you know about how you let them down. Higher power. Dang. It's good luck. That's crazy. What's going on? What's going on? What are you bringing in? Oh, we headed towards... I knew Spirit was gonna... I knew. Work. But this is like work that you're going to enjoy, and so you better pick someone or something or go down the path that you're gonna enjoy working, because work does not end. Between worlds, imagine and never-ending story. Like, now, somebody else in your energy is really going through like a shakeup. It could have something to do with family. They're not the happiest camper right now. Where you're heading from darkness into this blue, green, aqua, pure place, somebody else in your energy is going from this place of imagination and possibility, color, and they're going into something where there's a lot of darkness. Yeah. Somebody makes a lot of moves for their family, but little do they understand their family is the very one that's we have serendipity with the 4-leaf clover, here and now, and loyal heart as well. So again with luck energy, 9, 5, 8. Someone could be Irish, Scottish, English. It's almost like you're going for the opposite situation that you've ever been used to. It's almost like you're like taking a leap. Yeah, here and now. Towards something, but little do you know, it's very identical to you. That's a lot of luck coming in, and you could be like really feeling bad for quite a few people from your past. Somebody could also be coming towards you freaking finally with some kind of truth. You could have shut down any communication with them because they weren't coming through with any kind of truth. A Scorpio is not just going to sit around and have fucking small talk. That's not a Scorpio's thing. You could also definitely be changing people in a way, making them want to clean their act up. Will they stick with it? That's, who knows. But yeah, you're definitely like leaving an impression on people. Here's Taurus energy. All right, what's going on with Scorpio? What's coming in? Damn, double Capricorn. So some of you guys could be cutting, I don't want to say, okay, some of you guys could be letting things burn with someone that didn't want to tell the truth. Some of you guys could be going through an ending with a Capricorn. It definitely looks like you're ending a contract. To the sea. Logical in reverse. Holy shit. But it's astrological. All is written in the stars, the scars of your heart. Perfect time to start. Coming near or apart with Chiron. So, kind of leaving things to fate. Third eye awakening and inspired. So, it's almost like the people that you come in contact with, you like wake them up, which makes sense because death. You are death and rebirth, but it's coming in, Scorpio. Truth be told, and third eye awakening, Capricorn again, Gemini. There's a Capricorn that may like, or this is just Capricorn energy. January was really wanting to stay out earlier as well. This could be something about Capricorn season. you could have maybe told some kind of truth to someone and they didn't like it. But at the same time, they don't want to listen to the truth. People do not want to listen to the truth when you try to explain it to them, especially anyone that has a hard time looking in the mirror for anything other than vain reasons. Come in. Symbolism, yeah. This person could be very worldly, into worldly stuff, into worldly events, people, places, things. And boy, a worldly person coming in contact with a spiritual person, like, don't, you can't even warn these kind of people either, because the ego will make people think that they are bigger than karma, that they're bigger than universal law. Let's see. Outcome, serendipity, here and now, mortal heart. It's coming in. Cancer, Pisces energy. Ancient activation. We got the moon, an eclipse, and ancient activation. Allow for your ancestors to assist you, and planetary shifts as well. Between worlds and planetary shifts, for sure. You could feel a little kind of like out there right now mentally, because you're a bit between worlds right now. All right, Scorpio, I'm going to leave this one here, and I will catch you guys in the tarot. Bye.